Hey guys, this is Taylor. I am following up on Sprint 2 for the SAD Seniors group. And before I get into the Salesforce portion of it, I just wanted to brush over some key takeaways first. So, I just wanted to go ahead and say that our group was not able to meet the standard in the Sprint where we manage user requests just because we have a couple unanswered questions, but we were able to generate an audit report. Um, some positive observations were that we have been great with communication and GroupMe and Zoom. Our team members have all been willing to help and fill in the gaps. We're asking very effective questions, and we are coming up with a plan to get effective answers. As for areas for improvement, we just wanted to determine what kind of license we should have, creating the DCD with pre-made objects instead of the previous custom objects, and determining what kind of user license a data steward should have, and operating Salesforce without custom objects in general, and how to model a zero to many, many to many, and inheritance relationship in Salesforce. So I'm just going to go and show you our playground. Here we are in our playground, and if I type in reports, here we are, we're able to see the request and name of requester. And if you go ahead and open that up, we have some tests, as you can see, but here are our requester reports. So as I was saying, we still need to figure out how to manage user requests. And in order to solve this problem, we have a couple unanswered questions, and we have curated a meeting with Barney Young, and we will have that Monday evening. Thank you.